All right, good morning, guys. Here's a little update on the Matador garage door insulation kit. I did it in the middle of the summertime, and I showed you guys what the difference was between the temperature outside and the temperature inside. So I wanted to go ahead and show you what the real difference is in this Matador garage door kit for insulation, right? So right now, outside, it's first thing in the morning, so it's 46 degrees. It got a little colder than that overnight, and I want to just show you guys what it is in the garage right now. So you can see it's about 74, 72 degrees, 72, 73 degrees inside, 46 degrees outside right now at the current moment. Let's go ahead and get a reading. 71 degrees on the garage door. So, with the foam insulation, clearly the big difference you're gonna see is in the winter time. What is that? That's almost a 20-degree difference. It used to be like when it was 46 degrees outside, I come in the garage and be like, oh, it's chilly in there. Throw on a sweatshirt, do whatever I gotta do. But I just wanted to show you guys this update, and that's about it, guys. I hope that helps you out. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Hope to see you on the next video.